Time to live dangerous. You ready to cut it? That's good. That's good. My back.
How long you been doing this?
A couple weeks. Yeah. I've had a couple off the freeway. As long as I feel safe, I do them, you know?
What's that?
I said, as long as I feel safe, I do them, you know? What's that?
Have you rode up on something like, nah?
Yeah, there's a couple, man. I said it ain't even safe. Had to get a tow. Yeah. You're right, they don't get over either. I'm afraid of Becky. I'm afraid of Becky going down the road, text messages. Know what I mean? Get you out of here safe, man. Yeah. Hey, as fast as I am, you still might make it. Nah? Yeah.
First it said 45-minute update, it said 15 minutes. I was like, come on.
Let's go. All right. There it is.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
You want me to wait for you or?
Oh, you're good, man.
Okay.
If you want to get on together, sometimes it's easier. We'll get back in this lane.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, let's go, let's go. We did it, baby. Woo! That's a rush. Come on, get your drill, let's go.